Hello students, welcome to our next class, and the next chapter is chapter number 5, factorization. Children, exercise 5a is factorization by the common factors, that means by taking common. Look children, this is your first question. Remember that terms are always separated with plus and minus sign, not by multiplication and division. So you can see this is one term, this is another term, because in between minus sign is there. Now you can see what is common in these two terms. 2x minus 5y, this is common in both, and 2 and 6, what can be taken common? 2. Inside, what you are left with? 2 we have taken common, this we have taken common, we are left with 3x plus 4y minus 6 divided by 2 is 3, this term is taken out and this is left. Okay students, now you have to open this term. 3x plus 4y, minus sign is there. Remember, when you will insert minus sign, it will change the sign. X is positive, it will become minus 3x, minus plus 3 into y is 3y. Then you can equate the like terms. Here you will get 7y, and 7 multiplied 2 is 14y into 2x minus 5y. Question number 3rd. See children, there are 3 terms. One is this, one is this, and one is this. And you can see here it is a square plus b square minus c square, a square plus b square minus c square. But this term is not same. Compare it with the other brackets. A square is positive in the other case, b square is positive, and c square is negative. We can make it same by taking minus common. Look children, I wrote this term as it is, and I have taken minus sign common from here. Then all the signs will change. It will become positive, b square will become positive, and c square will become negative. Now you can see all the terms became same. Now I can take this term and this term common from all. What you are left with? AB minus plus BC plus CA. Next question. This is the statement. We have to make pairs here. Look here children, I made pairs of these two terms. Here what is common? Smallest power is a power 1. A is common. Inside you are left with a square plus 1. And here minus as well as 3 is common. Children, you have taken minus common. Now both the signs will change. 3 is taken out, a square plus 1. Yes, a square plus 1 is common in both. So here we are left with a and minus 3. Same. Next question. You will do like that. You will make pairs and take out common. Clear? A minus 2 is common in both and you are left with a cube minus 4. Ninth question. See children, already groups are made and nothing can be taken common. So in this case, what you have to do? You have to open the bracket. This multiply by this term. AB into 1 AB, x into a square x, x into b square this. Why I can't make pair of first two terms? Because already we have taken from there only. So let's change the pair. Clear? If we'll take these two terms as the pair, then we'll get the same term. So I combined this term with third and second with fourth. Okay children, this is the combination. So what is common from here? Ax. So inside you are left with bx plus a. Here b is common, a plus bx. Look, these two are same terms. So what we'll get? A plus bx common from both and ax plus b. Okay. Now 11th question children. It is like this. Again already pairs are formed. What you will do? You will expand this term using the identity a plus b whole square. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Same way a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. You can see these two terms will get cancelled. Now this we are left with. Again first term with third I made pair and second with last. Again you have to take common. Okay, and this will be your final answer. See next question children. First term as it is, expand it. Clear? Multiply this with this and this with this, you will get this term. And then after you have to make pair and take common. This will be the answer. Yes students, this is the next case, 2a minus b. I can make 2a minus b over here. You can take 5 common from this pair and minus you have taken common, inside signs will change. This term will become positive and this term will become negative. Now you can see 2a minus b is common in both, that I have taken out. What you are left with? Out of 2 powers, 1 is taken out, 2a minus b. This power, this term is taken out. Here you are left with minus 5. This is your answer. Next question, children. Combine these terms and you can see you are familiar with this. This is the identity a minus b whole square. What is expansion? A square plus b square minus 2ab. You will get same term. That means this term can be written as a minus 1 over a whole square minus, from here 3 can be taken common. Inside you are left with a minus 1 over a. Now what is common from these two? A minus 1 over a. Inside, out of 2 powers, 1 is taken out. We are left with 1 power, that is a minus 1 over a, and this is taken out, minus 3. Same procedure, children. X square plus y square, combine this term. A square plus b square 2ab. How it can be written? A plus b whole square, and combine this term. Same, x plus y is common. Here x plus y plus 1. 19th question. You can see, children, as it is I wrote. Here it is x minus 3y, here is 3y minus x, but I can change it. Take minus sign common, because a minus b, if you want to make b minus a, you have to take minus common. If we will take minus common, 3y minus x will become x minus 3y, plus from this pair 5 is common, and here you will get x minus 3y. Now you can see x minus 3y is common in all the terms, that is taken out. Inside what you are left with, m, out of 2 powers, 1 is taken out, 1 is left. Minus this term is taken out, minus n, this term is taken out, plus 5, and then you can expand. This is the answer. Question number 20, children. You can see 6x minus 5y is common from both the terms. Here you are left with x minus, out of 2 powers, 1 is taken out. Inside you are left with 1 power. Then you can expand. Be careful, minus sign is there, both the signs will change. Positive will become negative, negative will become positive. Then equate the like terms, that will be your answer. Children, next exercise is 5b, factorization by splitting the middle term. So, very carefully understand the question. First of all, you have to check order of the equation. Either it should be ascending or descending. Here, constant, then a power 1, a power 2. It is what? Ascending order. Clear? Now, what you have to do? You have to multiply first term with last. When you will multiply, what you will get? Minus 3a square. Children, you have to split 3a square in such a way so that after addition and subtraction, you will get 2a. So, what is 3 ones are? 3, and 3 minus 1 is 2. Now, what you have to do is, first term and the last term as it is you have to write. Which combination we have selected? 3 and 1. Don't write sign. I will explain you in the next question how to do. Okay, 3 and 1. Now what is the sign of middle term? Minus. So the greater between these two will have the same sign. What should be the sign here? So that we'll get 2a. We need to subtract it. Already minus sign is there. What we'll write here? Plus. Then only minus plus minus. Then same procedure. You have to make pairs like this. Clear? And this will be your answer. Let's see question number 4. Look, children, check the order. X power 2, x power 1 and no power of x. Order is correct. Now multiply first term with last. That will be minus 88 a square into x square. Now children, you have to split 88 so as to get 3. 11 into 8 is 88. So see, first term as it is I wrote, last term as it is I wrote. And which combination we have selected? 11 and 8. Now with these two terms, write the same variable. What is the variable? Ax. So write Ax with it, Ax with it. What is the sign of this term? Minus. So greater number will be minus. Now we need to subtract them. In order to subtract, what should be the sign here? Plus. Then only minus plus is minus. Now you have to make pairs. What is common? X. Inside x minus 11, a. Plus what is common here? 8 and a. What you are left with? X minus 88 divided by 8 is 11a. Now x minus 11a is common and x plus 8a you are left with. Clear, children? Next question. Check the order. A power 3, a power 2, a power 1. You can see a is present in all the terms. So take a common. Inside you are left with this. Now multiply first term with the last. You will get minus 120a square. Now we have to split 120 so as to get 37. So I feel little difficult. So what I did, I found prime factors. This is the easiest way to do that. Now make the combination. I need 37, children. So what I did, see, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40 and 40 minus 3 is 37. So which combination is satisfying? 40 and 3. Now first term as it is and last term as it is. Combination selected 40 and 3. Use the same variable because a is there. Now what is the sign? Plus. Greater number will have plus sign. We need to subtract, so we need to write here minus. Then after the same procedure, make pairs. What is common? 8 can be taken common as well as a. 3a plus 5. Minus can be taken common. If you take minus common, then both the signs will change. Now both the terms are same. So what is common? A is already present. 3a plus 5 common into 8a minus nothing is left over here 1. This is your answer. Now ninth question children, that is not in the standard form. So first of all you have to open it and then same way you have to multiply first with last term. 21. 7 3s are 21 and 7 minus 3 is 4. So this way you have to split it. Same way. Question number 11th. Clear children? That is also not in standard form. Here the variable is a plus b. What I did, 1 minus 2 is taken common. Minus is also taken common. So inside you are left with a plus b. Now it is somewhat similar to quadratic. So what I did, let a plus b is equal to x. Don't use the same variable which is already used. And if you take a plus b as x, this will become 1 minus 2 into x minus 3 into x power 2. Now this is simple quadratic children. Clear? You can split it and at the last 1 minus 3 into, in place of x, what was x? A plus b into 1 plus, in place of x what will write? A plus b. So you can open it. This will be 1 minus 3a minus 3b into 1 plus a plus b. 13th question children. Make pairs, combine these three terms and split the middle term. 2x square. 2 into 1 is satisfying. Split it like this way. And from this pair a is taken common. You are left with x plus 2. Here you have to make pairs and take common. And from this you will get x plus 2 is common in all. Here you are left with x plus 1 plus a. Same way, question number 14th children. It's like this. You can see this term is same in both. So what we'll do? 3x minus 2y, let it be a. And equation will become this. When you will multiply, minus 10a square. 5 2s are 10 and 5 minus 2 is 3. So in the same way you have to split. And at the last you have to replace a with 3x minus 2y plus 5 into, in place of a, 3x minus 2y minus 2. This is your answer. Thank you students.